In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Whiteout Survival. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to look for Whiteout Survival by Century Games on the Play Store and download the game. After you download the game from the Play Store, when you tap play to open it up, you might have to download some additional files, but after you do, this is what you're gonna see. You're going to get introduced to the characters, and there's going to be some dialogue that you have to follow. I recommend you take your own time if you want to read through all of this carefully. I'm just going to go ahead and show you a portion of the gameplay. After you download the game from the Play Store or the App Store, there isn't any sort of special setup. You simply have to follow the instructions on screen. As you can see, we need to gather some wood, so the game is going to give us instructions on how to get it. All we have to do is tap the trees around us and our friends will be able to gather it. Now we can make a campfire by tapping the campfire on the middle of the screen and start our base. Like I said, you simply have to follow the instructions on screen and you will be introduced to the game and how to play. I'm gonna skip the dialogue just to demonstrate how the game works, but as you can see, we will be able to upgrade our buildings, build new houses, shelter, and place furniture inside of it. We can manage our resources and assign survivors to these different shelters and houses. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Whiteout Survival. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.